Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook an I Am Cat. To begin your culinary journey, first locate the cooking station in your home base. It is usually found near your storage chests, identifiable by a bubbling pot or a small stove. Interacting with this station will open the cooking menu, which is your gateway to creating amazing meals. This simple step starts your journey to becoming a master chef. Your pantry is stocked from the world around you. Hunt small critters for their meat, cast your line into rivers for fish, or forage plants and berries in the forest. Each activity provides essential ingredients for your recipes. Exploring diverse areas will give you a wider selection of items, ensuring you have everything you need for the most complex dishes. Remember, variety is key to gourmet cooking. With your ingredients in hand, return to the cooking station and open the menu. You will see several slots where you can place your gathered items. Experiment by dragging different raw foods, like a piece of raw fish and some wild herbs, into these slots. The game will indicate if you have a valid recipe, allowing you to finalize your creation. This process transforms simple items into delightful, prepared meals. Cooked food offers significant advantages over raw ingredients. Not only does it restore much more of your cat's health, but many dishes also grant temporary boosts to stats like speed or strength. Don't be afraid to try new combinations. Sometimes, the most unexpected pairings lead to incredible, unique recipes. Planning ahead by cooking a batch of meals before an expedition can be incredibly helpful for your cat's survival and success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.